right, the date is October 1st, 2017. I'm here in northeast Colorado, heading a bit south then east towards the tri-state area between Nebraska, Kansas, and Colorado. Today looks like a pretty solid setup for this late in the year and this far west. We have a surface low approaching from the west that'll set up somewhere here in northeast Colorado, and then an associated triple point that'll set up somewhere along that tri-state region. Surface flow is already an order of 10 to 15 knots, and as that surface low approaches, those winds will start to back and increase a bit in speed. 15 to 20 knots will be more than ideal for tornadic supercells later this evening. Already have dews in the mid to upper 50s with 60s affecting from the south, so that's more than enough moisture for this late in the year, this far west. So get back with you guys later when we are on our first storm. RFD and then rotation right above it. Hard rotation above it now. Tornado. Hard rotation just above it. Nice funnel cloud. Well, that was legit.